Here we have 2005 Lotus Elise, and we are going to replace the stock diffuser. And here's a picture of old and new. In order for you to do this job, you do have to lift your car, but I've used ramps for both front and back just to make my life a whole lot easier. In order for you to remove the remaining rear panel, you do have to take out 3 screws inside the trunk, and these are 10mm bolts. 1, 2, and 3.
You want to hold on to the whole thing? Just drop, right? Yeah, it's loose. Yep. Oh, it has to push it in.
All right. Okay, that's way better.
That's weird. Oh yeah, this should go up.
It was very small.
That's not visible anymore after I cut this.
And all the heat will just be exposed.
It's gonna be great. It's gonna be great. Screw.
Okay. All good. Here's what it looks like afterwards, and we did spend some time tucking away the remaining heat shield that we're poking out, and it looks amazing. And of course, we went ripping.